Today in this video, I will explain how to have Amazon store features, how we can access Amazon storefront, because there are some sellers on Amazon, they are not even using this feature. Like this seller, here you can see brand Alexa tab, and whenever someone is clicking here, he will going to Amazon search page and he will have products from the different brands. And in the meantime, this is a seller. If you click here, you will land on the product detail page, and you can now see their products, and the brand have benefit that people's the buyers is still on his page and buyers can buy and he can have some sales. And if we compare it with this one, this seller didn't have any brand and people will go on the search page and they will now have products from the other sellers and they can buy from anyone else. So this seller getting traffic, but people are clicking on the brand name and they're going back to the other sellers, other offers. So to avail this offer, what we must have is the brand registry. First of all, you have to register your brand, and once you are a brand register seller, you can go on this menu bar. You have to click on stores and manage stores. This is the complete process, complete guide, how you can create a store, compelling store, and how you can have maximum conversion from the sessions, from the traffic coming on your page. And if you want to enroll your brand or you are not aware how to get these features, you can contact me and I will guide you. Let's proceed. If you are a new seller, you will see create store in front of your brand name. This is our brand and we can create the store from here. Like we already have store and we can click on edit brand store, and if we didn't have any store, we will have the option create a store. So I'm clicking here edit brand store, and this is the store we already have, but now we are going to design it differently. So first of all, I designed here. You can even design your store by yourself, or you can hire a designer, a Figma expert who will be able to design your store. We even just design it in Canva and we will be following this flowchart. We have made this here in Canva. Let's proceed. Okay, so this is the live version. I'm not going to change anything in this version. I will be starting from scratch so you can have all the information, all the knowledge how you can create a store. Version, we can add any number of versions for specific events, even like Christmas. For Christmas, we can add something about Christmas, all our stores about Christmas, and in any other seasons, we can add according to the seasonality. So I'm creating a new version. I can say this is like April 2025 version. Create this version. It's okay. These are some information for the new version. So this is like a new store we will be creating, and this is not submitted. We have like the previous store here as well, but if we change anything in this, it will not impact on our previous version because this is just a copy in this new version. I'm deleting it. Okay, add pages, we can add any number of pages. First of all, this is our home page, and now we have to design our home page in a different way. This is a header. I will not change header will stay same. And after that, these sections I will delete these because I would like to guide you from scratch. Okay, I'm going to delete these. Obviously, if you are starting at first, you don't have these kind of stuff and you don't need to delete anything. You will have everything plain and blank. I will need this stuff as well and video as well. Okay, so this is our scratch like blank page. This is like video and this written section about a section. So I'm not deleting this because in our new design we do have these, but we have to add a lot of more sections. I will add another section, add new section here, and I will see our design. What is the flowchart? Like these are two images, clickable images with the equal size in the section number one. So I'm adding section one as the images, split section, and this section was like this, only two images. So I will be adding image. First image was about the gray color and I'm adding gray one here. It was the main image of gray. Okay, now we can add its ASIN so we can have all the traffic on our page. It is extra large gray, so I'm adding this one. It's ASIN. Okay, same here. We will add an image, and here we will add ASIN. That's it. This section is completed. Now we will move toward another section. First of all, we will see what will be in the next section. So we will add a shoppable image, add new section, and we will add a shoppable image, product, and we will search the ASIN, and here I added this. We can choose any format like this or this. Okay, so we are done with this, and now we are moving toward next section. Next section was again the split images, and these were two images. We'll add product image. Here we will add the other color. The second color was pink, and I'm now selecting the pink color. First of all, we have to choose pink main image, and this is our main image. And now I will select the product, just edit the product here, and now I will add the second image of this product as a dimensions explainer, and I will add the clickable link as well. So whenever someone clicking here, he can land on my product. Now I'm adding the next section. The next section was the shoppable image. You can say prime clickable options. Here I will be adding the ASIN, and I will choosing it, and that's it. We're done with this. Now we are moving toward the next section. The next section is about the below product, and we will choose split images, two parallel images, and we will add the images for clickable shoppable images for the below one. And here I am choosing the below images, you can see. And now obviously I have to add a shoppable link of below one, so I'm adding the ASIN of our below color variation. So this is very simple, like we only have one product with the multiple variations. That's why we are using this kind of a dynasty for the same products. But if you have multiple products, you have tens of products, you can use different products. It will be depending on your designer and your brand management strategy, what exactly you want to display and what you want to sell and what have more traction. So it will be all depending on your product and your strategy planners. And now we have to add another section, which is shoppable images. And here we have to add the SN of this product. And yes, we have added, and this section is completed. Now we'll go back here and see what else we have to add. We have to add a product grid of 4 images, which must have shoppable links. So we will be using this one. We will add a new section, add new section, and we will choose split images, and we have to add 4 sections. So we will be using this one, and we will add the shoppable images here because it was a different display. Here we have to add the link. First of all, we are going to add the gray one, extra large gray. We can choose as in any of the styles from here, and then we can write title and description. It will be depending on us. I would prefer to add something, that's why I'm choosing here. Title length is small, so we have to choose a smaller one version. We can say this is extra large gray bath kneeler. So this is the process actually. Here we will add the other SKU. We will again choose the same theme so the display looks better, and now we will be adding a different color. This was the same pink one, and again we will choose a heading, title, large baby pink bath kneeler. It's good to go. Now I will add this section, and we will add a different ASIN. This is below one, and again we will be giving a heading, baby bath kneeler, all caps, random. Okay, all caps are not allowed, so we will be choosing this. Here we have to add another link of our product, which is large gray, So I will be selecting this product. Here I need to add its ASIN and I need to add its title. Okay, this section is completed. Now we will go and look what will be the next section. So this is the written section. We will improve a little bit heading. So I have given something, the instructions prompt to ChatGPT, and they have given me a new version. So I will be replacing this content, the next section. Okay, so this was a previous section. I just added this. Okay, here we added a link and I'm going back, and now we have to replace its position. So we will replace its position. We can just drag and drop. I'm just taking it to the end of the page as it was shown on the Figma file. Okay, now the next challenge is to bring this video to the end of the page. Okay, this is again drop and drag and drop, and that's it. We are done with it. And now is the next part, how to add more pages and how we can make the store more appealing, as it was working well previously, but we want an improved version. That's why we had worked on this. Let's proceed next toward the next page. This is our main page we have just designed. Now we are moving toward the next page, and page name is, we'll go and choose the new page name. This is baby pink bath kneeler, and we will paste it, bath kneeler. Here it is, create page. Meta description, we can add some keywords here in this description to make it more SEO friendly. Baby pink bath kneeler. And now we will add all the details according to our Figma file. And here you can see we will add these two images first. This section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, 5, 6, 7, this kind of stuff. I will be making this and I will be showing you. Let's proceed. And this is the way we will be adding other pages, and we will be adding this kind of stuff. This is like repetition. We will be repeating the same process we have done with the page 1. And now you can preview what else, whatever we have done. Here you can see this is the page 1. This was the home page we have just designed, how it will gonna be look, how people can get this. And I think it is way better than our previous store page. Once we have it completely, it will be very compelling, and I'm sure it will increasing our conversion. Whenever someone is coming to our store, he might have more chances to like this product, and obviously he will have more options, he will have more time to spend on our store, and he can make a buying decision. That's it. Please make your stores more appealing, and if you didn't know how to create a store, you can contact with us and I will guide you. Thank you. Have a great rest of the day. Bye.